yakaba and I paid by DSGA TV. Midi edinana ama boydua. Fache me say mreno ekwakakra. Say nam say internet any DH man sometimes no na messy up kakra any ma ejinchen so kakanti fache me and I pay Martina Macronium de na winning the Ecoso Ghana memu any western region any day eba besum and then you take a different face cra altogether. Nina say eba say was sitting in ene wonantie mu wakwentu mu ewo mine mu anase western region hase na ebetumi akọ enimu a torenchem ne ade e ekokokoso ne ade no ni wo mienu no yenkonkuhye bia anase ano bebrase ewo western region ha ana Ghana amemu nyina na main start no yenhwe issues 1 2 bia ekoso ana dwumedi bia mpenifo AD ewo western region hase okokopiem ewo Ezima Elembele district a ekrobe yefen Asomasi eho no mu no ena ndede omapa ekuafo ma omoye koko omapa omuso entoma esi akwakoye enijesem na dwumedi no ase no ena wo pani a wono woda western region nyina ano koko body pani a wono woda western region nyina no Mr. Samuel Ankama odi nsem bi de to wonum se wo hwe koko hu nsem a ade ana enkoye na so sesi ano niema gugu akwemu a eba bema ye koko edwumayo no etumi epeja ne mu ye na afede mfasode bebrede aba ekuafo mu ye koko na ade o mampeni eba beyi sa Catalas yade do efo mu ne ade ne nyene efo no mu de machines afoforo ede aba yenkonko yusu Catalas ewo yefo mu biem na afi so no koko nu na ye to na boarding ne wo mu ni Cote d'Ivoire for ana nka omu supply wo mu koko nu no omu ni omu atwetwe nkomo ntisi ya no ade o mbeto no prices ne be kofom se ne bi omu so benya mfaso ewo adwuma na omu ye na afi so what these seedlings 35,000 wode makoko ekuafo no se ne be ya bebo wo mu no mutumi edua koko ni bebre na omu so nya mfaso bebre na ode nsemi edito Ideas GTV eni
no yehu se koko aba no ayedidua no ehu hia pa esanse mpempi no enim se tete kwahye koko ba adada no eno na ekuafo bebre akidua eno so ne ha no doso nti Ghana Cocoa Board be mfi be se wotwini atwam afi bia na ye na obroni friend 60 million ayo pepema duosia na afi de atwam eno na mahu se Asomase da edikan me be sra omo no omo aka bibi se omo bre anse na omo nya sa koko ntimai nti ye nhwese sa afi ye na yenuanom SPD seed production division ebe ekasa na omo abaye bia ampa na mu hu ahai se 350,000 na metre mpema hasa duonum na yegina mu nesre wo Asomase na nhwese ne kire se ye bebu akuafo a omo aye krado a omo aye afu foforo omo mumfu ahye aha no yare ne nhyɛ da ni ha nti omo ye mfu foforo ne mfu na ya dada no etwa na omo de adua ya kire omo nhyehyɛ pasa na be ya koko no betimi aba bebre we ye frɛ na kokora bedi ana hybrid bosom dun wotwe 18 months na astarte se eba eno ene atrimpo a Ghana Cocoa Board ye de asie no se ekuafo no dua abafu koko na obeti bebre na biem nso etimi gina ohaw yare ahoro na ano kakra na afi se o ma ne nhyehyɛ on sako ho a afimu ni nyina nso obeti koko
eho ena afi district chief executive edima Elembele district no hono abobonzu kwesi wono so di nsem bi de to dwa se ade a aban eniwo koko edwuma no ho na afi so aban eba behwe se koko road no mo award ye no Elembele district ombenya wo mo de na afi so Asomasi road no ade a nchishegu akwemu omuguso a wo mo ye nti face na yehu se wo mo ye no nya de omu beye esi won ma no meto aso se won be na afi omu school sem ni omu nsuo ni ade no se no so enema gogo akwemu o mehese ni nyina betumi akonkan de amafi se omu nim se koko ma no omu wo Asomase no omu frumema bebre no maba be hye mu wo nanti no aban asodie ene onu DC na sodie se wo behwe na o masetine mu wo Asomase wonom ne betumi akonkan na afi omu kwan no so no betumi nya koko enunu bebre na ye ni DC no ekasa ye nsem we ene wode tuja
Every center so echo pusi ankwanta I for kosikrom eduswazo eno there is very difficult because car kwant to me faso bridges wom ni na say motor kwant to me there emfaso nti hanom no the farmers are very deprived and we are doing our very best. We are working very hard to make sure that we can fix these roads for the farmers because currently no Ghana had the whole Ghana who can be here cocoa monopa this element of this part of the country. As a government, you know, we appreciate the problems that they are faced with. The modern say, now no credit say a difficult terrain. The contractor be about mano, monsieur to all year round. The fence no baby obenya materials. They fi abaye tema heading. Now as on my penika no 2020 the year of roads. Nti roads e sati ye na no this year no e be shemokina e bo modern atumi awie na yegusu ye kasa so ne ye bo modern say the other stretch I no so e call from center so e go pie pusi akwanta it's about under 60 kilometers and so e bo modern and so atom na have for mo atom kakra for ne say kradwuma no eden titru mo a omwo in as not e ha no conditions no are very difficult because a forest and farmers abetenem a ebu kwaye eye koko nti nema bebre na tosin nti aban treat omo as a special case say ebebo omo na eden nti mesre so omo nya abotre no mo ntai aban we achi titru na nagufado aban esan say hanom aban bia nya kota wada not even 1 kilometer until agufado ba ya wasatia oh yeah and at a go no we have tackled 63 kilometers. It's massive for this area. Now we even want to do more to mesre they should omo ntai aban we achi na omoma nanado 4 more years don't you meye ejuma I say oh yeah onfa ejuma enko wie
Bozo kwesi de Nsemsem etu dwawe na afidie oba wono obobo akuafo mane nyina no ayebeka so no ena ye omo president no a wo hwe se akuafo ma a omo ye koko e wo asomase no mu nyina betumi aka abo ano ba na wabe ye baako se ne be adwuma na omo ye no betumi akọ enimu efi se omo akwakoye ma no eya na eye kase oba ware a ana se oba do impempenso bi e wa brabo mu a wo se bema ene wo hwe no so omo munim se so wo worry a wo se wo ba no tumi bo bema na bema no so tumi ebo eno nti ena omo de sa koko wo ka koko omo se mejuma koko my business you media bebo ase ne be omo tumi abo omo kununum ena fa omo ma wo omo no na setina ne betumi akọ enkan de ama omo na afi wasan so dey adesede edito wo mampani enim efo wo makwan ho omo nsuo ene koko enu no se ne betumi aba na omo se djuma no betumi aye no maye ne ye eye madam Joyce Dapa Nsemsem Bebre edito IGSG TV ene
the best na nado ene Mr. Dr. Bo Ahedu enyina ne se e ma e wo elembele yanso ye ma ye ni ji koko adwuma ho ti yesle ye kwan enye ena ye kwan a enye sunti e ma ye ni school ena ye ni school no si ye ni ensuo ena ye ni nsuo no ye ni clinics enti ama ye di ema ekokro kesiem ene nkrofo kotena wo beti ane se wo ba be ma either se onom enro yibi ana se oba wakonyem efi se school eni haninti ama ohaw bebre ena etoto ye enti yesra omo hwe ye kwan no maye no munye schools maye na afe koko no nso no omo waye enro mu ene we decide they say the yejai na slashes ne boarding 5000 akuafo no yenim se ne boarding omo ma ne boon emra for my na ba for my betumi atobi e dia ye eku adwuma adomo a efi se koko no ya ye koko bebre ya ye adwuma ma ye wa ha ya ye adwuma eso ye nya kwai ensu oto a efri busume ensian ni akwai asi oba anyamate so ofuru moto wo kwo wo ate so ofuru moto ye ni kwai kura wa ha de to so bie ye ni nsuo ankura nya ba bi kura ne akọ school ye ni achichafo wo kwo opon shale school nu kura gu
ya wo busa earlier ha obi enim say ye school na adan agu eti ehia na na adomu a se ma ya wa ha ya keke ho abom ye kuadwuma de abo o man no eso ye nimu abia wo earlier ha eti esra na ado ene ne mpanimfo se wo mumua ye ne adwuma na ye ne han enhye de na adwuma ne nkoye
yegu eduro ewo kokoo no so na se ensuo to a etini kogu ye nsuo no mu enti ye ho kire ye papa ye kwan nti ye suku nye ya kwanye nti ya clinic nye ya kwanye nti ya sasa ya manyina de wo mu krokasie mu a emfa so bia eni so emaye ye bre wo ha papa ye sra aban ye hia aban mu a o meta ye chi na kuadwuma eye adwuma a de ene kuta oman yi ya ha kokoo ene ekuta oman yi se ya ha kokoo nimu a minyi ni senko oman no ewo nyina so enti ye sra aban wontwe nani emehwe yen na yenso ye nipa ni bi yesra aban ma wonja uye mu wonso ye mu yie na ye rebre papa
free cocoa and semi-so na fi yenko Ghana Port and Harbour Authority omo any Ghana juma ko bia ye fe omo ibistic and ye na ochi abesi ekoyimu omo commission project bia ye fe no Atlantic Terminal no na eba beboa ma sa ship akese ntumi mba port wono menyina no etumi aba na ehono mo ne na omode tu adwase sa dredging works here start eba beboa ye fi se omuhwe ship akese a wosanke tumi ba port expansion project a omuba beye no anase wo so mba beye no ese tumi ba ne entumi mba ba ne sana ma se nyom pese omutumi eyi adwuma wo port ho no mo no entumi enko nkane na nana dechi ono ena woda abistek ko no ano ena wo kase eyade ase terminal wo mu wi a ebetumi afa enipa 4000 ewo port no metumi aye adwuma na so sisi ya de omo hwe no mu se ometumi omude ehariso ayesa terminal Atlantic Terminal we se na ebe ya ometumi start adwuma na afi ship akese entumi mba port ni mu nyina no etumi abem na nana dechi ene idea GTV etwetwe nkomo echeche nsem ni mu bebre
na company I friend ibistek na yes adwumadie anti na yaba efisu ye ne se takrade port titide no ye foforo oni Johannesburg ye no 1928 ne yemreso se ye foforo na de ehwan wo ho ba ko ne se man ya ye di ye ibistek ye Ghana company ya oni di kire mo ni GPH na kai ho na yakopeska nyuma ni bi wa GPH aye yenso abistek so akopeska ye di aka no na yama port no afa ne tuma papa ye fura ye tuo e form Samaria mfidie wa hayi port no emu no tie tu form ma akọ anam ye meters anamon no edusia aye 16 meters a kire ship akese bi a wo wiase bi betimi agina watercraft ti ye tu nsuo num na ye de enua no ye tu nsuo na sem akremu ye reclamation ye de enua no ekupu num na pie nsuo na free ho na aya asase aye be ye su pavement ya ye key wall asiso na ya ye new port e am magana e ne de ye aduma sky de ye aduma no e dos na ya chichemu phase 1 and phase 2 phase 1 yi say key wall no abia ohyen no ana say hyen no ship no gina no ye di kan aye 600 meters 600 meters ni betumi afa ship akese pa mienu ama space ni bi kura aka sa 600 meters no ye di sika American dollar no 206 million ye 206 million dollars and ye di ye ofa edi kan no adwuma ni nyina ye di no e ho kan ye 475 million dollars na phase 1 yi captain afeji ka kire am say ye afia ye be wura mu no ye be wie no ama phase 1 na ye adwuma no e ho kan no ye 206 million dollars sa sika ni de abobo ni nyina no ye fi adwuma na se enti sabe enye se bia ye kwa adwuma na ba na fe ye ku pesa ka betua contract aka sa sika no ni nyina e da bank ye di ye adwuma no na e ho ka no e de no esan se enu na eye terminal foforo pa wo man nu nti ya hwe terminal bia wo West Africa sub-region ya hwe bia problems bia challenges na ye dia ye design nti design we no fa chiw bia ma eye ultra modern design ene ye wa han ye tusum ye nu no adwuma ye ne hai enye broni adwuma ya fa abrofo contractor na etese ye Ghana fo ahonwa ho a ye Ghana fo da bia broni na dwe ane de ye di boy wo broni adwuma we de broni bi o ha odi ye boy ye ne atua ne ka ye ne o ye adwuma ne ma ye Ghana fo mu Ghana fo mo gina mu ni ye nyina Ghana fo adwuma na profo no ya de abo ye ne ye masters ya reverse fortunes no ene no ye nye servants ye Ghana fo ye masters le sa adwuma ne ye Ghana fo de anti sa captain kan ye nye sika enko ba bia e wo kura mu he
Entino already chi e dey ni semede to edwawe na afidi wo peni e wo hwe Takrade port ne so no ye captain Ebenezer Fizi ono so e ka said e ade a o ma ye ready pan say o mehwe na sa terminal Atlantic terminal no o betumi se ne ntempa so na afi container say free West Africa ne ade e ba ne ina ne tumi aba
Check when Takrade port na when GPH aboma yere no hai on no dey to nsafre samtrofo ma waze nsamdo ko abontima nkofo de edwuma na wopa ho tamba ye mfe kura na ebie na wetwem ko ho no onyaza ye buenwe gudo oyaza ye gudo yare ye sesi ai se wotu nwa no wohwe minsanyi mfe ho ya won ho hen kasi osuwe ya on sheda anye institution na ode yimpa kwana da ofa nzama na emum otwa insuna ase boyin se draja oti epunase amanumudo enti se hono odia no oriti epunase amai ships akase etuma abapu aha na abre oriti ase no na nati na oriti no so no ozurugu na echi ona ahono aya asase so ai de yenya mfaso ebien efedwuma na ore no mu ni na mu no ya hwe kwan de ntum won wi adwuma yi beye afekro ne mmiri mu no na yenya port yenya baby a ebotum yaze container she's another institution of containers a otum fa akase papa for bebre a se osua oboyin si ne draft yeah be duasia 16 meters nti no onu se ntinti ne ya tunsa from the womra no wo mohwe no won kopa do man na nkofo de edwuma na yanye bi sekede e be no yegudu ayere ye mpa abakra so papa impen bebre nkofo kede Takrade port yenya nzama won fa nzama mfi abochi mfa ha fa nzama bebre offer oba port mu no normally no ye containers na don bebre won adwin na Takrade containers mfa ha cars mfa ha senti na in the na yan port no numu nhyeda ndo na onsoso onti indem riwiase no obeji ni institution ba port a ohwe kwan de obeji wo se containers no also a obeji wo dotum yi beye mpime ba sa mpima na ndugu ho na ihe na nkakama no wo yi ko no nam de na yan port no mu ndo no nso nti no na dem institution no bi ntum ba ha yankopon ye na adom na ewie adwumazi ye ya port no mu no do na yin na kase no obesin port bebre awo ebibri ama atoi mantem ha nti obama ihe ne pi aba ye port mu
yes sorry and so na fe ya ba ene nkomo twitwi a ye ba bedi o efie hase ye hwe insurance a wo se motorbikes wo metropolis na se Ghana ha fini mu ina e wo se wo munya aso mitumi operate dia insurance e betumi de aye ama motorist ana se motorbikes wo Western region hase ana se Ghana hase no National Insurance Commission eno mde sa adwumedi we aba se ne ebe ye ombeboa nti wona ma na se obi nkase bibia nto na se moto bi ebo wa deɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo betumi ayama motorist no ɛne no wo na motor na abɔ wo no ɛna afei so no sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ nyinaa yɛ nama ebe feel safe when we say almost so mu de code bi aba ebetumi detect say motorway na aircon no eyi show no anase eyi show no se wo fomu a emra na tumi ni na edi senia esi etie eno nkonwa na no pe esi e wo studio ha say ya ba betwetwe nkom na pe no me wo area manager edema National Insurance Commission Mr. Justice Pepper AJ ono ena me na sinkunya wo studio se ba betwetwe nkom e dia fa ho nka se wo twu moto ntino wo de insurance de wo hia papa efi se wo de moto ni bo obi a ena se wo de abo na akeke wo hu ne a wo nye kra se insurance betumi abo wo ba bi se insurance ntumi bo wo nam sa wo nim nti eno nkonya ena yesi nkomo e ba bedi and then Mr. Pepper you ma kwa by TV
Edasi
ana baby bi aboko
Nyakopon adom bibia boko
Western region ho edo ayewo anase omo nsem a eda yakoma so enu tina na peye si kunua no ye hwe ye inse insurance ye de makas awo mo nan kwanse na ebe ya assurance nsem bi si a driver na frame na ye so ya frame no metumi akava ye kakra na friend mo the new policy dey abede ma motorist for anase motorbikes and nam ye quantum pon so ye nhwe de kofa sa hihye we nyina bai
okay meda ITV Ideas GH TV ase na afi so mada wahwefo nyina so ase na afi achia Western region achia obia so na National Insurance Commission ejumadi ba kwaye die ne se ene hwe insurance companies ni nyina so na insurance company no yomu ahodo bebre ye omo insure properties ene omo ye life insurance nti e kobia life no ye wo funeral policy ye wo education policy ene some investment policies and other risk policies personal accident ni ade ene se ba general no so a omo ye property insurance bit se car na afi bia wo fie ye ka property a normally the anymore ye car no de no ba wo fie so bit me insurance se fie no ponya wo de a wo niam ewo mu no content and so bit me aye ho insurance and afi ye wo insurance no ahoro bebre your money insurance so because na bank de kai o ma fast ska o de ko bank na ka no konya accident na se kai tugu na nkrofo sesa the bank no ma se o lose o sika nyina na ye will be a friend money insurance e be protect side no the insurance de gumo hodo bebre
bank ne so public bank or private bank
o betimi akokoye sa money insurance no your cash in transit your cash in safe your money hold up on the premises
mo be say ani so almost insurance or ma
you betimi insurance ama you be a friend fidelity guarantee you betimi ayama obi am fan say our accountant okuta osika ya bibi nie obetim discount po adwane ochina ko hwa accountant amadwuma wahwimko sika wa accountant nchen ye bia sika bebre eto ye bibi a friend fidelity guarantee wetimi ayama sankofo it insurance le gu ahudo bebre ba said o kan ne ni tichu ne pese ye kanu ye motor insurance na say ka say motor insurance na ye they refer to car de ni nyina aka ho.
Okay.
Remember ya normally use motor, you use vehicle. You can say motor insurance na say a car insurance, you can motorcycle also insurance aka ho. Now motor insurance no e go ahodo miensa.
Okay.
Yeah, what your friend third party insurance. Na normally ya need him say drivers no ne momutwi motorbike no. Ono nya borrow insurance company or simba betray insurance. Insurance no bo so mo chichem no mo chere say we ni boy say eya enyan to bose nshada entie type no na normally yakode ne bo no yefo ti bia o taxi we dey 435 o ena me pe no ba ko ne ye bia 2000 da bi me pe 435 no into the minimum cover no dey me say so wo mo kra no na third party insurance no na third party insurance no so no empempi se share draft for no mudin komo a obeka che so third party insurance ne de se enya hwe se enya police anka menye o ka se enya hwe because sa third party insurance no and cover ne car no. But third party insurance no cover ade bia esombo kese pa. Third party insurance no ade ba ko cover esombo ye me ne wo se eti hey. Abra ye free studio ha ye betimi akofro car. Se mfa ko we bia de yeko. Se tra taxi o se trotro se bus o ye nya tena mu pe. Ya be third party. Eti ye kɔ no sɛ de ɔka ne ye mompa sɛ bibinsi da bia sorry free obi abɔ mpa ye sɛ ene ɔkɔ enyankopɔn fa ne nkɔ ne nsa fa ne bra nanso so no ye kɔ anya nyina ne ye ba ɛda ne ebi so embedu na sɛ ɔkɔ ye victim na kɔ ka sa nkrɔfo no ho a na kɔnhyia kɔtena ka na kɔnhyia ne kɔsi ne bia wo do obedu ba wopra sa third party insurance na nipa ne ye no ɛhɔ na wo benya wo compensation afiri
driver ni ye no
sanity.
Okay.
The driver no quite third party as a taxi passengers na timu nyina no why yes insurance no dey cover mu. Say in case a car no nya kwanhia mo a motimu passengers ni nyina no mo call insurance company kro na me call yes insurance no na mo call ge compensation. Say a minibus na fa bia nipa 15 a driver na ye ama nipa 15 na timu no say kwanhia kosi na mu pra anaso obi free mu a mo pra nyina no some ho tomo a mo ko insurance company na me ko yes third party insurance na mo ko ge compensation so obi so free mu a e bia na waja ema wa chire ne maso so nko sa insurance company no ho no mo so nko ge compensation.
Okay.
The third party na yembu no ade titu ba ko e cover e yes ade no
it's a first party ni cover car no.
It is a third party nti ebe car no de no so.
Okay.
But third party ni de no de e cover ye nipa na etim no titu.
Okay.
Ana se obi a onam kwa ho se kwan eda anim yi ka etwam nipa so nam kwa no ho pedestrians. It is a car no lose ni brake na tefa so na ko boni pe yi a na nsem ho akwanhia bi si I think last year esi wo intraban nipa ne gina bus stop omo pe car ko na car no so free takrade ko na so lose ni brake o tefa so nipa ba ko wuwo omo maka pre-pry ojan kwanchen o pen car ko ne baabi ba ye hu de akoto no wan ko duru fie nti abasi abusuafo mo agya wan kire de no mbe tita third party insurance na driver na o de car no kokun won no eye no ehon na abusuafo be call for compensation enumpa no mo pre-pry no mo gina baabi no omo so be call for compensation so bi tika no so prior omo so be call insurance or don akopje compensation tisa na third party neti no aside we no esa cover your friend be say third party property damage una wa talk me dem asi me fie wo kwan ho ana say ma bokils bi wo kwan ho ameton me niam ana wo car gugugu na atia be say me niam abese me kills why say then so am kills ma me kai wa wo de car ne be say no una say wo ye ma me ba say wo third party insurance na the wo betimi akwa report your insurance company say me be third party insurance me the car no akosai obi ajapade e wo kwan ho enti misrem amomra na maye den mo hwe ma me but say ba property na ye wo limit insurance company wo limit obetua limit nas now 5,000 ti otua 5,000 you ko say obi ajapade na more than 5,000 insurance company betua 5,000 they aka no na obetua pachiatia say una obetua but so ko insurance na so more options be say unim so betimi ase obi ade a ebro 5,000 enu nti no obetimi atua premium kakra ka ho no more increase sa limit no akosoro ti the more we
5,000 now
o kwa insurance na foforo no normal insurance na wutua no third party so obi ade a 5,000
okay
but obetimi ase metimi akose obi ade a ebro 5,000 enti pese mo increase 5,000 nkosoro mami
ani nipa na nkasa ne
wa okoye insurance eti abasa insurance company be charge you bibi kakra
okay
enti fa na say a private car 1,000 bi a person de ka ho bia no be charge you 10 cedis anya bibi eso
okay
enti the more wutua na wo limit ne ye den kosoro enti obi betimi akono increase in limit to 10,000 obetimi den dia call 20,000 obetimi den na call 50,000 enti no ko say obi ade na 20,000 na limit 50,000 insurance company betua 20 ni nyina but say one increase wo limit no now 5,000 na the offer na ko so be the net 10,000 insurance company be to 5,000 I just say 5,000 I can ipan be free wo. But when it comes to human being say be a passenger na say pedestrian you need limit bia CCA partiality ase it no a third party aside eno cry na say cover wo driver na ku test ya na me fan say wo twi no wo say cover wo but wo cover na e friend personal accident and wo limit no say 5,000 to say driver no so kwenche ni sina so pra wo so be nya up to 5,000 a cover wo so passengers need them aka say enye unlimited omo ye ni limit bia but wo driver na your limit and as I could say obi so japade a your limit partiality as na say enti ano ne keto ewom no enti third party no say enye police and can enye third party insurance no enye say buy adwen mu bio
ese enye police nti na ye third party no say ye third party but passengers nti na say ye third
exactly
party.
Because say we taxi driver no for nipa for etiquette mu e kan ho na konya conscious say ni nipa ni pra hwan asa de sen ko hwe say nipa no fan say we insurance hwan asa de na so hwe o
driver ni no
sanity driver na say car owner na so hwe o babu say be accident in this no
and omu should not pay attention to
because why insurance
okay
why third party insurance no
okay
enti wo no esa call or direct na de call insurance company be or ye any third party insurance no wo call insurance company no so be there be compensate you pepepe because okotwa insurance no fajate adena no
because you go to 5,000 at all
okotwa insurance premium na to ho sa premium no otua ye no e na 5,000 eden e won for property damage
okay
and as for no driver but even for passengers na mutim kra no there's no limit and two passengers anything was we pra and as obi afrim you kutua 5,000 there be enipa enkwa no untimi mfa sika bi nya den ento so but when it's property there with me dey sika to so sanity enti ano na third party insurance no pachiate adena say ti third party ni free ho wi a enti a chese third party no kra no driver no benefit kese chese ye passengers no and as wa wonam kwan ho no wo na insurance ne ankasa eye wo dia e cover wo ye no free ho afi ye comprehensive insurance and answer na meko comprehensive no so no you be a friend third party fire and theft na sa third party fire and theft no de ye nyina ne say de maka comprehensive third party ni nyina no e wo mu bi and afi wankasa wa wo driver no wo car no ye cover our car so against fire damage or theft damage sa kronfo be wia and I say jabe show car no ene so ka ho so third party dem say o car na nyeden enka ho they say third party fire and theft no na ye de wo so yeden o car na ka ho but the car na ka ho e fire pe ene say akronfo be wia theft pe ene one last one e friend comprehensive the comprehensive no so war third party dem aka for third party nyina no ho and as afi esa cover wo ankasa wo car no so against fire and na theft no we no free wa eso won say enya eja any akonfo penalty ma car say sa accident si na car no kopem an ebe say car no say wo car so ko bitimi to bobo windscreen man pai o drive bitimi share bodam fo bitimi dia ba kra boka mu amana say ba jata say ana say wo car no kokra car fofo bitimi abo car no so amana say it is any money nyina no ye comprehensive na eso be cover car aka ho it comprehensive no cover third party no na sa cover a car against fire theft any other accidental damage to your car but ohwemu a de hia pa no yes a third party no and also na yembu
is this something that is there already and as a feina mudia ba more educating on that
third party ni ya de ho dada Ghana mrane chess and sana do car basic kwan so no also wo insurance
because all along what we know is say can buy insurance driver no to be any be say but then I think it's a third party no we don't really talk much about that
no because then crofo brain na en shada antiase also normally so bi ko insurance on wo hwe emfaso na e ba na ho direct
yeah
enti oh me ko third party dey me ka enya akwanhye a me ka na omonye mame enti third party na enya hwe patch what you say ba ne refi say akwanhye na sie ne nipa biti ne ka ani mu omu pray one the behwe say nipa no se nkenye insurance a enka wono na sede se wo hwe say nipa no nyina the third party na ho dada that's the minimum cover that you need to have eti we no na yegu so church say it is a third party na hu hia pa no eye me ne wo na cover ye ya then I was say you say hey insurance na ka na ekotrem na insurance papa because me kwatena ka me insurance papa bibi kosi a henfa na makokoje compensation and National Insurance Commission realize say we say normally say we twika we say we do barrier na say we share MTT there omo hwe insurance sticker any DVLA na insurance sticker no ahwe say o car no o insurance sticker date na was no ngu ya na ade ba ko ehu ni say with time no ehu say nkrofo so ye fake gum because akwanhia besi sticker ne bo ho say insurance company A obeko insurance company A ho no na saa car no eni ho enti che say nipa na sticker bi no we design or dey abo ho by insurance na kasa de wan kwankoye because na adwin mu no ene say o police for no hwe sticker ne pe enti say minya sticker bia bo ho keka police for no duru wa am dey biti o mo meko but what are the
ebia dey police for no bi so na ya dey omo ye wo kwan so that's why omo so
police for no ashansi dey on mo hwe bebre no ye sticker
no okay
it is sticker ne bonum say date ne correct a onimi say wo insurance enti ko but it any plan so hu sa no na say importance na ko gina sticker no so it is many obi obetimi design sticker ma onya graphic designer bia obetimi design sticker no so onim say the sticker ne te to no so pen colors no the design ya no the boho a ento obu akwa no akoto 50 Ghana no the aboho tenya boho a please hu na wo insurance twam ko but what are they say please hu ya twam ko enti we no NIC course so say e be sesa features ne kakra ba ni pa boni fo enti no sesa kakra no spy kakra wo sesa no no ay kakra te kodu mrebi na ye say okay sesi ay no ye fa nko digital enti anu na say dia be pi ba bia ye be dri
but me pacho me bao National Insurance Commission meaning say mo ye aban like aban dia but say what private insurance commissions or more no currently
okay to say let's say
me beside this question because say your private insurance or more no me so there then na mumu ye detect say this private insurance companies you know go through the right process and then right channel to make sure say the insurance company you know, is registered and recognized. Okay. This is to say police for a share stick and then they let them go then later say the biko see I feel a question be an insurance company can exist can no any
insurance it's National Insurance Commission no said me kind any share insurance company or the private insurance companies no into ensure any other private commission
okay
yen ayabako all the insurance company we give them the license to operate if the company I am man license no who operate illegal who are SHO
when ya sa with any problem maybe say the insurance company be about out or more pretty illegal
there be had the nyanya bi wa
not western region but then have you recorded
me nyanti ni bisa
okay okay
but companies be operate bia no your man license to operate but what you say and the sticker na omo issue boka ho no omo be free National Insurance Commission ho it who insurance sticker bia boka bia bo hu National Insurance Commission go ho asana company ni din da infinfin no na National Insurance Commission da ho but what you say National Insurance Commission da na company din da infinfin all the insurance companies na say afofro nye insurance company for na ye fake sticker no ye won krofo for ho so many so ni say drivers ni so per sticker no and also na police for shenti no also be design bi sa pepepe no atwe company bi din ato so na woton ama drivers but won say that to kono ka say 20 cedis kra you ko twa insurance e bia ye 200 obi bro sticker no say 20 cedis ah so o pede afo adan so bo ha police be mo atwa mako police nye hu sticker na okay ko enti no na ekoso enti abra akwanhya besi no na nipa prepra no omba kwhwa sticker omba ko insurance company on say akwanhya si abeko police station omba be take a share report no mo hwe sticker na hu se bia a company A enti say wa wo praye no wo ge police report na wo de ko insurance company no for compensation wo bedru ho no mbe check o system no na sa car ni ho enti be hwe mu no na che say enipa no stick kan keke no mo design dia bo ho ba wan ko insurance pacho what you say enti se pese yi sa de ni nyina afiri ho no ene de digital no ye den e bae enti say National Insurance Commission a create a database, very big database. Yes, a car be or be insurance or Ghana no. I was a COSA database in him. Car be a motorbike, and as a car be a be insure. Oh, insurance company be a Moyaman license to operate no. When you acquire insurance in a pet details no be called sa database in him. It took insurance in a COSA database in one. A whole now benya bibi a friend text message. Text message. To your insurance now, a whole be say insurance mark na correct. Don't my message say oh car number GE 1588-20 is registered with company A. Policy start 3rd March 2020. Ebewu 2nd March 2021. Na National Insurance Commission so was here. Benya sa message no. It is obi insurance amount no way nya sa message no a. Na che say insurance no hwe be a woto na free enye papa ebu a can say network na use nti be a ho no ye ya na challenges MTN network and as Vodafone and as all the networks ni nyina ba bi be say ba bi na challenges bi aba no we nya text message na e ho na side short code aba is a National Insurance Committee a short code number say ka bia so kwa insurance ni we na we nya message no kwa na wa phone bia we be say ya mo we hu Android phone o fa ya mo then no Obo short code *920*57# Mrs. Ubio no *920*57#. No about send no phone so. It is all bar. Say was saying king na betimi afa phone cry. Betimi aye bi wo ha. Enye bibia ye kese. It me from phone *920*57#. No about send. Eti ebe rane kakra rane kan TV I'll say welcome to NIC MID service enter vehicle number the vehicle number no me board vehicle number be GE 158820 but capital now small beko but yeah say main fast space be antuntemu and na main fa dash number say be a dash 20 you dash ni for na bo number ni na bom small say I'm a boy no so sha say details number say active policy bibiaba e also but you won't say that no it is saying we no be fake na den every ho it is saying your focus no enye sticker na e bo we nim sticker na de bebo ho but say our police for e share kwan so a ni focus na enye sticker na e bo ho no ka sticker na dia ka say de kan no mu design bi no wetin ko design bi dia bo ho. But social police no show car number now. Code number my no. Wait me a boss see ahwe say car no. O insurance papa na say insurance papa. It wait me the sticker bi abo ho. But we check na o sticker no say won ko insurance papa hwe ma details bi anu beba. But what you say? And a new sticker na yesade aba no kra na yesa wo free QR code e wo so. Enti sa wo scan code a. Wait me dey atoso. What the toso are now scanning details here were hanging beside them. Abba. Is it a stick and about police for so agent or the toso or being details in it's why we have fake insurance be no say no who free what ako. Who to mean fake insurance in bill.
Anthony, yen share this new database ya mudia bea mudi be monitor motor nam yon quantum ponsi mechre se we true we hwan yo any motorbikes near the nam kwan so da ben na sa policy we be start ana a start ana
me da se pa eti policy na a start dada number 7 this sticker no se ebe hu ni ye am de ba ko kire na yen hwe say na new sticker no eti new one no say neti ti sa QR code na meka no enuni it is a boka na ni mu a please ni do the phone to so insurance papa bibia beba but question na obisa na say da woka no I started dada enti this year ya na start here January no
okay
Inti car bi akoko year January eba no.
It's a 2020 day no.
2020, especially from 20th January eba no. I was say ewo database ni mu sisi America say. Say wo year car no free 20th January 2020 na enimu a na wunya message bia and as I check code na enimu a sa hwe bio na kohwe bia akoye insurance no. Pachiate said because yes you started at that.
Like I say cars wo honum dada ne de omo no say ye omo den.
Me that say so bisa so cars ho dada no wo de ne be da so ho. But ewu na wo koya.
Okay.
Ho no obenya new one bi. Inti kakra. It is a wo de ni wu a nya say we aba ni nti no wa wo de be wu match no ana say April na asay no. Wo de ni mu ba say April ne ba na eso na kwakoya a obenya sa new one bi. Obenya message. Wo check afi be wo system ni mu. Na yakọ terminal bebre lorry terminal bebre ni drivers ni so bi ahia na omadi nkomo. Na also na omokọ na omomayo dia 2020 no. So funny phone na oboa na mu nyina mo check no hu se wo mu a. Wo hu ahomka na ani je sonko a eba because you see insurance ma kotwa na papa.
So it means like on hand no kwan so pon call office one say me kwa renew one na say na say the phone so no de kwanya sa.
Aha, inteno just 1 year na sa so a ansa na be call for sa renewal no but see no say police ni crash no so sticker na ya ultimate check your code no so crash say no insurance so now they are even police obi hu say insurance no system so it dey ani je ba e ma ye nyina e na ne tichu cra no so say ye say me can say third party insurance no e cover passengers it wu kwatena car ni mu no ukuta phone bia obetimi agina car na nim cra hwe car number no no abo star 920 star 57 hash no abo send ebiema wa enter car number na car na akofro no abo number na hye ho me mfa space bia ntuntemu me mfa dash bia mba no abo send ti car na akofro no wa passenger no
okay
because car na akotem insurance no wo na ebo ho ban enti wankasa kra no betimi ayeden ahwe ansa na akote car ye insurance okay enti bia semsi a me secured
o say
enti wo hwe na enimu a ene car ye any insurance obi koto e kwan so a asem aba
yeah share long distance vehicles and as motors and say trotro ni ade nyina because eno na me bisa o asem we trotro ka bi pa odoko share insurance you wouldn't even think say we company or insurance who fu behind say because of the market say aba
who say insurance it true na say dem kan no mra say o de kan be si kwan so no benya sa minimum third party cover no mra na afi so no say wonye insurance na yeso be security we discuss be to baby because enim so betimi de okana cox say obi ajapade na say kumnipa enti bibi ba na wo ni sika be bo ho ba say insurance no hold there you can go to insurance company so why insurance we can fall on the securities Canada koto baby no it is aneti enti car no send I dada say old say no there enka say road worthy and say road use enti ho no before say the car be si kwan so no ye obabi a do car no be ko no so be hwe se car no ye de si kwan so fa nipa yeye
say the car no matter the stage and say condition car no oba insurance na moye
no because say third party insurance no yen cover o car na nkasa
no like let's say me de me car ba me de me chocho ibi aba gate ni kra no ahoma so chocho mba be insurance and na say me fa say ewu ena mba be digital one na abe ibi nti me de ba be si wonu nti mu hwe car no mu ba bia mu de insurance na car no
but don't be say hwe na car na too old that just say the risk is high nti betimi a load premium no high it is obi tua ebi obi an car ye fresh no tua bia 200 so company can load you to maybe say pay 1,000 because of car no the we are na there no ye exposed no say car no kopem kakra bia betimi prepare nipa no bebre mpajo I say so the risk is high they can load the premium for you to pay but ebu also open comprehensive to cover your car there the insurance company can totally deny the cover and say that car na too old you need insurance comprehensive and cover our car because I said comprehensive in the cover our car no
sure
it is a car no when older you can deny cover no cause one year comprehensive no kwa den and cover our car no but third party no so when car na older obetimi a load premium no akosro
because possibility
say car no eye kakra bi be prepare pa bebre aha nti premium na obetua no ebe high than obi a ono ne car no eye comfortable aha na nice sanity
and yen hwe ya ka yen hwe motorbike say enam kwan so and the motor for more for mutre di dim pop traffic and yes police for api omu game and traffic light so pa e shim no mo ne omu kono speed na dia and the motor ebo bi sese ana o se me fa no ko house because mpo won fi and akwa to say insurance no the concentration is more on the vehicles than motorbikes nti yen hwe motorbikes there ni so
okay the concentration in any car no so nchen motor all the same thing it's okay motorbike and so cry now o check your system ni mu a obi hu but on say your law enforcement agencies or units it say motorbike no be drive gigi say onye insurance no or say your law enforcement we are omo na be check say motorbike ekui why insurance but what had na say one say omo check car no e so omo na say check motor
ese motorbikes ankasan
before
what
insurance yes
na ene omo ye
so omo anya I say police for chi omo
and obey because motor omo be boy for obey dey say insurance take an ebo ho eche say omo ye insurance no
oh yeah mo stick up it is a one thing and farm more crisis here the short code that be easy because motor be I registered or number into bo short code na bo number ni shemu a e say eba so why insurance na say eba
motor accidents but say meti say motor ni kwampo ni insurance and say motor no insurance me share down NTB and me bibi say motor anka afi na ye be introduce
and I heard that motor would the sequence so also wo insurance so wo insurance I say police for chill I heard that
wow
and motor for the bibi so your insurance so ni insurance I say police for chill
enti no motor insurance and so net say premium no and so say na wo betua no so third party ni wo ho no man
and so your third party ni sa
okay
and then so ti motor no so your third party because so be the car with me abonipa ekuna motor so betimi dia abonipa ekuno so be the car betimi ase obi ajapade a motor so betimi dia kwese obi ajapade ba cha wati ase betimi dia kobo obi queues ma say no nema obi kura ahihya ni dwa wo kwan ho motor betimi akokose no motor betimi akopim obi car ase ni tail light anti sa third party so ekoma motor and one kasa also so no rider no so ye rider no so cover personal accident no cover motor rider no and so be so to achi a ono so abey o passenger ono so motor no ye den policy no cover no as a third party or t actually but what has na say it a conscious kosi a wo be pra the t actually to be pra it is a third party insurance no as a cover motor no so be ASL or betime third party and a motor betime as a comprehensive but motor no betime awia motor ja betime ahye no motor betime anya asira ma motor asai say motor na bi wa ne boarding
say o motorbike na e wo motor de eno no tires no so no na bike ni de tires
and then ketwa no ha enti e bi boarding pa enti wakoto bia bi na ye bia 50,000 30,000 na wo kono msa kwansha betime asi ama na asai na esombo mawa betime akwa comprehensive insurance say me motor yi say minya kwansha na car motor ni sai a insurance company me turn 30,000 mebo am na me turn another one
enti eno no snow betua 5,000 na
there be 5,000 enye de obetua 5,000 a limit for all the driver and also the rider so who pra sika insurance company betua mawo and a year 5,000 pajwati adana say but so okoye bia car insurance private car a third party no betua 327 Ghana cedis for the whole year say taxi abetua 435 say Ovana 15 seater abetua 524 ti sa na toto asoko aha car bia na there eti motor no so I think say 180 something
obisi me mbisa o say yenhwe LDC akwenshe bebe Cape Coast die ni ade sa car sa kese na nimpa ewu ni ade eno so insurance no etisen because we nimpa na ewu ebi aye kofo say kofo bus bi na elko enye this private diploma ni Ford ni ade na eko ene kunya accident e wo kwan so enti eno no so no insurance mo ye dan fa ho like insurance na esi den e work around this
ti said America no yemfa yenka ye ya o but yenhwe accident esi wo ye kwan so nipa say 34 35 efri mu na bebre su prepare say bus na ekọ no eso ye third party insurance wan ye kra na ye third party insurance and so yes third party insurance na e cover enipa na tika ne mu nyina
and some will count the number of seats e work anim
yes and cover mu nyina pa cha tia say bus na etu enti de wa ha ene de wa ha nipa wo mu nyina no bus we third party we so a third party enti cover nipa na wo mu nyina enti akwanhia ni se animanimu a no utimi ko insurance company pa cha tia say because obi a wa free mu afina busianfo kra hwe body enipa ka ho na won ka ho sana be hu awie be kwa kosie no ni enema bebre be koso obi also wa pra se se me no ka say ko obi pra wa accident won da so da hospital into no better kwaji insurance but what you say but omo free mo no me fan free ho so onipa bi free kwanhia ni mu a de obeya ne se obekọ police for ba ho on be report into the obeya ne se obekọ police for no ho akwaji the friend say police report it was saka sa police report na baby a bus na wotina mu no baby no my insurance no obekọ ho insurance company say company A ya obekọ company A patwa say obekọ with police report no do you call police report kwa police report no be kire say enipa we na ni bibi ni we not bus ni mu and we free mu baby o maka say ko bi a attestation letter of administration to show say oh enipa na wo kan na wo free mu no oye obusuani ana so ye o maame ana o papa no they will request you to go and do that because yes I obi as wetin kwaje report aka say me maame e ka ho no wawu etiamra mu no ba kokoso maybe affidavit ana so be ya letter of administration to show say
eno no sa no o me den when na say wo de e ba be bom amane say bi ka bi say
to be boy amane what the insurance company no
o si that time no akwanhie si obi eni so atan no ye say ni omuko
ete ho no ntimi ko ba bia
so why say hospital no and I say ambulance service no and I have some report because that time driver no information no so wo info nti aba ne sa na emprempem na agency ne fa ne say ye tumi a solve the work kwan no so ye dispose of whether hospital or more wherever I say any wo muko no ye ni omuko why asade say so beba mo insurance company
no that time no obi a ntimi mba because obi a pra obi a wu driver kra hu obi onam eti akwanhia sa ne ye wo bibi a friend no there were 3 years say in any pa what 3 years to report it's enyasa immediately na chinchan da so report there be
oh okay
who about 3 years at the when you between the report it's am say by this time accident they be obi da so or da so the hospital ne ho ton no be da sorry akwa report it will be twan ho to wi a na police station ho no mo be be hwe no ya assessment wakọ report that report no who report about insurance company near then I was so say please for buy no be take
victim no
yes please for buy no on be take details of the car no e bia insurance driver bia din and so who police reporter that's how they write it driver need din insurance baby insurance ne license or license and access how time no need license on be just particular thing na ni nyina no be report no nti just report na who information nyina also to be who insurance company cry esa oko but what I say until everything I maybe after even 1 year abra wo gidi se ho atọ awie it's any say accident ni se kwanhia ni se na gidigidi me say me insurance company no but what I say it ho atọ awie no call police station ho no say mina say he Cape Coast ko ho jere sa report no ogi a wo be hu insurance company kro no na fa report no ko ho but you can say okọ na ebi also insurance for okọ no betwemi no mo twemi so okọ na wo or how bia afi obetimi de wasema be dan National Insurance Commission but ya tiaze so okọ insurance company na bia say dey na ye kan mo ye me kwana bra na kwana bra mo mfi mi no ho no afi obetimi de wasema be dan National Insurance Commission say akwanhia si wo Cape Coast kwanso na me ka ho mi pray afi na me ho atomi ma je police report me de akọ me call ye no ene omse ochina me kwa na omse ochina me kwa na eti afi National Insurance Commission na yembo
enti ene no ebusia ye hwe say ya motor enam kwan so whether motorbike ana say ovan and any of the cars bi omunam kwan so ye hwe say na be ya insurance ni ade a ye de ka say omunye ene mpenifo adani eni kaka say na be ene vice president say ebe kaka no fo toto kwan po bi tombo mun bi abe digital enti e say mpenifo ahwe say won say no e na sometimes yemre no enso yen asiye ni mpa no yemre no enso yen ti no omu the digital insurance registration and as a renewal e di aba say na be ya wo ye driver ni na say bia wo license ni wo a you don't have to go and then queue wo phone so honum na papa na say why eno hu e na ye hwenti na wo ye motorist na wo nam kwan so a enye say wo no wo ye motor nti wo mo bi ana say bibisa na say insurance ni say wo ye you have to go and then insure your motor and after so wo ye church driver so wo car na agigi egu no pomodin akọ insurance company dey say wo mu yomo no omuntumi enye mo say na be ya eyi wo dey call town na bibi kokosi we nka say bonemra bonebi kokosi a mpenifo etumi abo na waso ano insurance is not to say ukonya asema na bed na beda won kwan so mpenifo person mo ne wo share wo bedding e wo kwan so wonya problem bia eno nti na insurance ne ye bo hu de ro na nti wo a wo insure wo kan enko na uni police ni bia enko 5 cedi bia mo police ni bia kono kokko insure nti ye kono na ye share final words nia and they say na takrade for and as a western region or more respond to this digital based registration no and as a renewal no any
see things say na say digital no e ya jiba bia and some kind ya call most lorry terminal bebre ni omo driver for na shia edin komo e bo kra kwa ekoto passengers ni bi wo ho eti akwa na ye peka number bi wo ho no mo abo amia so ahwe 920 star so bo star 920 star 57 hash while car number de bo she ho bo she abo se details number and you see that they are happy
okay
because adeba kweso won say enyo bia na okoto fake sticker obu a won so okoye genuine insurance na enso so no na say a fake enipa na oje and say won fan office ba bia but we printed documents bi keke no they are genuine it drivers ni bu wa anya say obi o share that say okoto fake insurance there bi but onu ni so okoye genuine insurance but at the end of the day na okoye fake but say dey any dey o ya wan kasa betimi a check ehun say adinam koye na papa ana say enye papa so wa pese o koye bibi bone dey na wo hu but say dey sa kan no enche police from so begina kwan so say ayefo is a police ni gina hokra no no bone phone wa o ka na eba no wo insurance obehu uni insurance o eden obehu na ye kan bi say omo so de anya nwuye no ye ni insurance company so gusu din komo ya ye bo mo ama de sa old one nyina ba system ni mu even omo de anya nwuye no say be free match ye kasa koya kosi December anya nwuye no ye try say be migrate sa cars ni nyina to the system it no better as wo de kra anya nwuyi na so bo short code na eden e pepa Pajate wo de nimpo nya nwuyi say timi de nyina co system no so a wo de mpo kra be wo December e be du ba bi no be check still be hu say eden e wo ho ti afi bo say car bi a insure wo western region ha anase Ghana fanan ba bia no ukoten wo bo short code pe go say car no details aba say car me ko free e insurance asem kosi a insurance A or insurance B akona makwa dem akwaje compensation na yesa ka say ade ba ko ne say obu a onya kwa car kwanhia we akwanya mde ama yen fast way so ntudwa so western region ha say na bia wonya car kwanhia bi na insurance company no ye kona bra nti oba mabu nti oja achiri dia mesraw ye free ha ko ye beja ye number wa ha say nti bibia ni a wo de frɛ ne fa bra ye office ye be boa e de achiri ama onsaka de so onsaka obi so betima ka say o car ne ball me nua no no twam ko ye friend hit and run ti ye hu car cro when na ti ye hu car cro nti e be den wo sa akwan asem no bi so afabra National Insurance Commission
nti se wo be check say car na wo ba be fro no insured and I say any insured whether being a motorist and I say sorry motorbike or any other vehicle be and I say one dial star 920 star 57 hash na we me send send e we momu no sa pepe same procedure na eno a na we say send e be ya wo so wo na wo kwakofo kan na se wo ankasa wo dwen wo adabafo no mo dwen wo yesu ye ndwen yo send e be nyina ye foka na se bibi kokosi a wo mo ka bebe yesu ye mo ka bebe na isi nyina no ehu etumi atende se ye sorry so no na ye advice say ye kofo kan na se e be hwe se kan na ye fo no ensure da na say enye mpacho church station wonum de omunom de no de enya ma digital no so intena ne say ye bompa ye say be wu ntem no mu nyina ba digital
omo de kra wu na ba
oh okay
ye call Cape Coast ye check bebre de na abaso
na abaso
omo ayo omo de January ni February no
na second church station ni when church station
second so ye ko check ni bi so de wo so
na taxi drivers nso e
omo so ka ho
bi so de
ha bi enye omo nyina but omo ayo omo de January ni February no omo de no wo so
kufo kan nso e
omo so sa ebi so wo so nti wa ye de from January ye ba nyina wo so say kra na me ka say old ones nyina so ye try to push into the system. It debate myself wo de kra musu but with time na be ba so
okay
ahanti enche na obia de be wo so ti sa tan wo de ni so na ye fake ni e be chill easy
nti no eno nti wa wo de ewu na wonkonko ye ne be chill kra ye chill so na ya chill so na se hu se wo kwa kotua mo nti na ebusia ha ena be makwa ne ye di dwumedie ni nyina esie openi a ye tie ne kasa wo chekere ye ne emem insurance ne emem ne ade ne din e de Mr. Justice Pepper AJ wono e wo insurance commission area manager for Western region and a Western North Western and Western North region say ya chichem it's Western North region no and what done what say cars awodro and as motorbikes awodro e wo region ni mu nyina no umbe insurance na be nyina ye ho e beto yen ha e na be ma kwane di dwumede ni nyina say hi IDS TV bidi e di na ama buediwa nyakopon ya adoma wo china ye besa be sinkunya ye mre no say ya na ekwa na abomodin a e de ache ye fi say we say internet na di yeju wa so ni to wa wo hwe break enye obi a ye ni Adom TV ni aka say ye call off there be internet na di yeju nti sometimes no ya na e be break kakra say na be ya ye streaming ya na ye na misi wo pacho wo ya confuse mu ha say pacho asembe na he said Mr. ya mu twa de na no matro ni ye di ama me sende bia enti abusia wo de be si hasia kopon no chine be si nkonwa de be kosi bia mu bia asanya mi sho bibia se wo join ye abra ye life no nya mi sho bibia nya kopon no ye bisia